Alright, welcome. My name's Saul Gallegos. I'm gonna be your Spanish teacher, so enjoy the lesson. So let's get started. Well, I am, okay, we have here I am. In Spanish is yo soy or yo estoy. Yo estoy. Can you repeat that again? Yo estoy. Repeat it. Excellent. Yo estoy. Repeat it again. Excellent. Don't stop the video, alright? Just repeat. Okay, yo estoy. Perfect. Okay, I am in Spanish means yo soy or yo estoy. But for now, we are going to focus on yo estoy. Alright. So remember, I am in Spanish is yo estoy. Preposition with in Spanish is con. Con. Repeat it. Con. Excellent. Con. Repeat it. Con. Excellent. Don't stop the video. Alright? Don't stop. Alright. So how would you say I am with in Spanish? Alright. Yeah. Try to guess. How would you say I'm with? Yes, very good. Yo estoy con. Yo estoy con. Alright, very good. We are starting making complex ideas. Okay, we are going to try from now on, we are going to try to make complex phrases. Alright? Right, so yo estoy con. Repeat it again. Yo estoy con. Excellent. Yo estoy con. Again. Yes, very good. My family in Spanish is mi familia. Mi familia. Repeat it. Yes, very good. Mi familia. Repeat it. Excellent. So how would you say I am with my family in Spanish? How would you say? Try to guess and don't stop the video. Yes, very good. Did you guess it? Yes, yo estoy con mi familia. Repeat it again. Yo estoy con mi familia. Yes, very good. Repeat it again. Yo estoy con mi familia. Repeat it. Yes, very good. So, with my brother, or my brother in Spanish is mi hermano. Mi hermano. Repeat it. Mi hermano. Repeat it. Yes, very good. So how would you say I am with my brother in Spanish? Try to guess and don't stop the video. Yes, very good. Yo estoy con mi hermano. Yo estoy con mi hermano. Yes, very good. Repeat it again. Yo estoy con mi hermano. Yes, very good. My sister in Spanish is mi hermana. Mi hermana. Repeat it. Mi hermana. Yes, very good. Again, mi hermana. Yes, very good. So, how would you say I am with my sister in Spanish? Try to guess and then stop the video. Yo estoy con mi hermana. Yo estoy con mi hermana. Repeat it again. Yo estoy con mi hermana. Repeat it. Yes, very good. Yo estoy con mi hermana. Yes, very good. So, try to use headphones, all right? Try to use headphones. And if you want, you can watch the video again